Hi guys, whenever you join the company after your MBA, your documents will be verified. Even without MBA, these days, a lot of companies are verifying the documents. I would say around 80% of the companies are going to verify your documents. Yeah, verify your work experience. Now, document verification doesn't mean that they will check your letter, service letter and all. They will call the company to verify whether you actually worked there or not. So here I've given you the list of 10 things they have sent me. So this is a letter which have come to me from a company whom one of my ex employee is going to work. So I'm going to read it out for you, and these are the 10 things they asked me to confirm. So this will act as a benchmark for you as well, those who want to show work experience, that this is they are going to check. So dear Mr. Gandhi, we are connecting the role based employment verification. The company नाम बड़ा मस्त है, employment forensic services. मस्त साला एकदम हाई फाई नाम रखने का कंपनी का अपनी. फोरेंसिक एकदम अंगूठे अंगूठा सब चेक करेंगे तुम्हारा वो. एनीवे सॉरी, जोक्स अपार्ट. सो अवर एक्स एम्प्लॉई डिजायर योर फीडबैक, फीडबैक कॉपरेशन हेल्प फॉर फिलिंग ऑफ द रेफरेंस चेक. Yeah, so this is the particular they send me. They send me the name, employee ID, which we don't have, date of joining, date of designation, last salary drawn, and the company name where she's going to join. So they have sent me this data. Whether you please, this is the data they have sent me for the employee as a confirmation for me which employee we are talking about, and then I have to fill this following data. So kindly confirm following 10 things. Number 1, full and final settlement have been done. Done, not done, under process. So they have to tick mark. So of course it's done for this. So for me, I'm going to reply done. Now this is not going to affect your employment, trust me. But the moment I say no, this guy never worked with me, you will be caught. So especially those who fake experience. For example, one of the student, he called me, sir, I am showing the work experience of my friend. My friend have worked in XYZ company. I took his appointment letter, changed the name and submitted. ऐसा करेगा तो भाई पूरा fake है. You will be caught. Fine, क्योंकि अभी नहीं तो बाद में जाके this letter, this employee worked me in 2016 to 2018. 2018 का verification is being done in 2020. After she completed her MBA and joining the company now. So 2018 to 20 she was doing her MBA. Now she is passing out. Is she eligible for rehire? Yeah, so of course yes, she is eligible. Type of separation, voluntary, involuntary. Voluntary मतलब उसने छोड़ा था, involuntary हमने निकाला था. And sometimes they ask the reason as well why they are leaving. So for in my case, mostly higher education, because most of my employees are students only, those who want to go for their MBA. So is voluntary. Salary was paid through which mode? Check, cash, or bank transfer. Trust me, it doesn't make a difference. Even if you're paid by cash, it doesn't make a difference. Not important. They just want the data. Form 16, was it issued or not issued? Employee was a team player, yes or no? तो obviously I'll say yes to everyone here. ऐसे में गंदा कौन कहेगा एक्स एम्प्लॉय के बारे में, क्यों गाली देने का. The employment offer and leaving letter attached is your company's authorized document? Yes. So they have sent me the sample of document which I have given to her. Reason for leaving, please specify. So higher education, better employment, all these kind of things I normally write. And of course, no one will say bad things. Everyone will say good thing only. Good बोलता हूँ. I normally say good and satisfactory. I don't say अरे नहीं ये तो सुपरमैन था हमारा, he was the best employee, this that, तो fake लगेगा. So satisfactory, yes. Any integrity or discipline issue, no issues. An employee's exit was smooth, or he have given sufficient notice at the time of committing? Yes. Quitting. Thank you for your time, appreciate. So these are the 10 pointers they're going to check. Whether you left on time with smoothly, was there any integrity issue, what was the reason of leaving? Maybe you were thrown away because of some fake documents, some, like we kicked out the employee because he did some fraud. हुआ है हमारे साथ ऐसा, दो तीन लोगों को निकाला हमने. The employment letter was attached is our documents, was a team player. Form 16, salary is paid through which mode? The mode of separation was voluntary, involuntary. Can you rehire him again? And full and final settlement. These 10 things will make you understand what are they checking in the document verification. So if those who are showing fake workex, my recommendation, don't show the workex. See, showing dad का workex is not fake. Dad की कंपनी में workex. Yeah, पिकिंग अप समबडी एल्स अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर, उसमें नाम चेंज करना, लोगो डाल देना, दैट इज प्योर फेक. वो मत करो क्योंकि वो तुम पकड़े जाओगे. सी, डैड की कंपनी, इफ यू शो वर्केक्स फॉर डैड का कंपनी, दिस काइंड ऑफ ईमेल विल कम टू योर डैड. एंड डैड के साथ अगर तुमने रिलेशनशिप अच्छा लगा, इज्जत से बात किया, सुबह शाम रोज पैरी हाथ लगाए डैड के, तो डैड विल से यस ही वर्क विद मी. नहीं तो डैड भी कहेगा ये कौन है, मैं इसको नहीं जानता. तो लग गई तुम्हारी. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट.